Yes. Like, take marks as an indicator. It's not judgment about your ability. Okay. So you analyze where did you go wrong, if at all, right? Where is the scope for improvement? So you do the analysis. Don't judge yourself too much. ठीक है? तो डिप्रेस विप्रेस तो होना नहीं, और वैसे ही जिसको मार्क्स ज्यादा आ गया है उसको भी एकदम क्लाउड नाइन पे नहीं जाना. So like you have to maintain it. So maintenance is more difficult than correcting, right? You're already on top, तो उससे ऊपर किधर जाना है? So that's a different pressure. So both ways you have to analyze. ठीक है? And keep working. Don't be complacent. Okay. Tell me at least the numericals that we did last. Where did we stop? You came in the last class, right? Okay. Today's class may be like repeat of last. So how did the last class go for you? Huh? How was the last class? Sound ka? So it's very deep on concept. So we are going to cover that again. Now you tell me which numerical we stopped at. We were doing numericals, and how many numericals we completed? Rihan, Priyanshi, did you attend the last class?
Yes, sir.
So where did we stop? Do you remember?
No, sir.
Somebody tell me, where did we stop? Check the numericals we did. So I think we were doing questions on echo. So what is the formula? The minimum distance required for the echo is V into T by 2. So most of the questions you will do on this formula. Then V is equal to F lambda. Also F is equal to 1 by T. So these are some of the formulas that you will use in solving the numericals in round chapter. Okay. So let us do the numericals. Let's start with the first numerical. Do you remember having done the first numerical? Wonderful. So finally we got the answer. Let's start question number 4 then. Come. Page 19. Question 4. What is given in question 4? So I am told we have done first 3 numericals. Like I presume everybody was present in that class because last class was missed by most of the students, right? So, but I guess the first 3 was attended by most of you. So read the 4th one. Do you have the volume? You don't have the volume, but find this question. Person standing between 2 vertical cliffs. It's the same thing. Go to unit A of sound, numericals part. Unit A, sound ka unit A, numericals part mein jao. And then you read this question. Find this question. A person standing between 2 vertical cliffs produces a sound. You got it? Which question 9. Come. So, good. Now I'm a little motivated. The exam's over for you? Still going on? Yeah. Do you have volume? volume 2 or textbook. If you have Selena, then you will understand. Otherwise, you need to have volume. Volume 2 open karo, page number 19. We are doing question 4 from classwork numericals. Okay. So, sorry, I read the homework question. Classwork question is a pendulum has a frequency of 5 vibrations per second. You get it? Second or third numerical hoga. A pendulum has a frequency of 5 vibrations per second. You got it? That one. So what is given in this? So given F is equal to 5 vibrations per second. So it is 5 Hertz. Then you have observer starts pendulum and bar are done simultaneously. Okay, that means here you are actually measuring time in terms of frequency. So whenever the pendulum oscillates or completes 5 vibration, 1 second is completed. When it completes 10, 2 seconds. Okay, that way. So you're not able to measure time. Okay, time is measured by vibrations of the pendulum. Is that clear? Now, and what else is given? He hears echo from the cliff after 8. So, what is the time per vibration? Therefore, T is equal to 1 by 5 seconds. Okay. So, one vibration corresponds to 1 by 5 seconds, right? So, what is the time of echo? Therefore, time of echo is T is equal to 8 into T. What is the time of echo? 8 vibration. What is time period? Time corresponding to 1 vibration, so which is 1 by 5 seconds. So time of echo is 8 into T, which is 8 by 5 seconds. How much is this? 8 by 5 seconds. So let it be like that. So we got time of echo. If the velocity of sound in air is 340 meter per second, so given V is equal to 340 meter per second, what do you have to find? What is the distance between the cliff and the observer? So D is equal to 1. This you have to find. So it is the echo question, but time is given indirectly in terms of number of vibrations. So this is how they twist. You got the question? Classwork question 4. Page number 19. So what is the D formula solution? So D is equal to V into T by 2. So what is it? 340 by 2 into 8 by 5. 2 4 is 8. 6 is 8. Is it correct? 3 or 270? 4 6 are 24. 270. Everyone has signed it? Everyone has understood the logic behind this question. Okay? Time is given in terms of number of vibrations. So time for one vibration is calculated first. Then time of echo is 8 vibrations. So 8 into time for one vibration is time of echo. That's it. Rest is given. Next question, question 5. Shall we discuss question 5? So what is given in the question? A man fires a gun and hears its echo after 5 seconds. So time of echo is given. So given t is equal to 5 seconds. Man then moves 310 meters towards the hill and fires the gun again. So it's like this. So let us call this as point A. This is point B. So first when he fires the gun here, T1 is equal to 5 seconds. First echo is heard after 5 seconds. Then he moves by 310 meters towards the hill and again fires the gun. This time he hears time after how many seconds? 3 seconds. But T2 is equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so what is the distance between the cliff and the observer? कहाँ पे घुस गया मैं? Where was this? Okay, previous question. 4 में चला गया. Calculate the speed of sound. Means you have to find v is equal to 1. How will you calculate now? So if you consider the total distance as consider the total distance as d. Right? Then what is this distance? D minus 310. Yes. Total distance is d. Therefore, the remaining distance between d and the reflector will be d minus 10. So now what is v? So therefore, in the first case, v is equal to 2d by t1. And in the second case, and v is also equal to 2 times d minus 310 divided by t2. Correct? The speed of sound is not going to change because medium is same. So we'll get these two relations or v. So eliminate v, right? Then you can find d. Once you find d, then you can get v. So what is d here? D is equal to Vt1 by 2, which is, what is T1? 5 by 2V. This is 1. Okay. And then substitute this over here. You can call this as equation 1, 2, whatever, right? Therefore, V is equal to 2 upon T2 into, what is D? 5 by 2V minus 310. Now you can solve for V. Right? T2 is how much? T2 is 3. So therefore, E is equal to.
Sir, I didn't understand the last question.
Ah,
Can you please explain it again?
yes, I will. Okay. Where are you not getting it? Are you not getting the diagram?
Yes, sir.
So read the question.
Sir, actually, I'm out of town, so I don't have a module.
You don't have the
Module.
volume. You mean the volume, okay. So the question is like this. There is a cliff. Okay, there is a cliff, right? And there is a person standing at some distance. Okay, at some distance D from the cliff, and he fires the gun. When he fires the gun, he hears echo after 5 seconds. So that we are calling T1. The time of echo is, for the first fire is 5 seconds. Then the person moves towards the cliff by 310 meters. You get it? He goes closer to the cliff.
Yes, sir.
And then fires the gun again. Okay. This time he hears the echo, obviously in a lesser time, which is 3 seconds. Okay. So this time he hears the echo after 3 seconds. So since he has gone closer to the hill, what is the distance of his position? Second position is D minus 310. The distance is reduced by 310 meters. So in this question, we have to find what is the velocity of sound or speed of sound. Okay. So what is the formula for V? We can use this formula for echo. So for echo, the sound has to travel twice, D and D. So total distance upon time is velocity or speed. Okay. So we will use this formula for the two cases, for position A and position B. So both cases, the speed of sound has to be same. So we'll get two equations for speed of sound. Then using this equation, using the first equation, let's call this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Okay. And this equation we can call them 3. So this equation is 3 then. By simplifying 1, we get D equal to this. And now we are putting 3 in 2 by 3 in 2. This we are now, this D we are putting here because we have to eliminate D, no? We have to find V. Okay. And T1 and T2 we have. So here T1 was 5. So V into 5. So this is simplification. Now we'll substitute T2, which is 3 seconds. That's what I've done here. Are you with me now? Rihan? Rihan? Am I mute? Are you live? Of course, it's alive. Rihan, have I explained you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so respond. All right. So now what is it? This is, so this 2 gets cancelled. It will be 5 by 3V minus 2/3 into 310. So we take 3 common this side, so this becomes 3V equal to 5V minus 0 to 620. So 5 minus 3, which is 2V, is equal to 620. So what's V? Is this correct? Yes. So basically from the given data, we have formed 2 equations. And then by method of elimination, we have found B. Because D is not given, so we eliminated D. And we found B. Yes. तो बहुत दिन बाद आएगा लग रहा है अब चल तो कैसे समझ आया ये क्वेश्चन हमने एको का फॉर्मूला बनाया था लास्ट क्लास में ठीक है तो व्हाट वाज द फॉर्मूला फॉर एको E is equal to 2D by T यही एक फॉर्मूला है इस चैप्टर V is equal to 2D क्योंकि डिस्टेंस ट्वाइस होगा जाएगा फिर रिफ्लेक्ट होके वापस आएगा तो स्पीड क्या होता है डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम इसलिए 2D by T तो यही फॉर्मूले में क्या पूछा है और क्या गिवन है उस हिसाब से फॉर्मूला विल बिकम D equal to V into T by 2 या जो भी पूछा है लाइक दैट ठीक है और इसमें और क्या फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे इन जनरल V is equal to F lambda ये भी तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए and F is equal to reciprocal of time period ये 3 फॉर्मूले से सारे क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे इस चैप्टर में ठीक है तो बेसिक्स ऑफ वेव मोशन में speed of wave sound is also a wave right speed of wave is given by frequency times wavelength and frequency is reciprocal of time period ठीक है तो ये सारे फॉर्मूले से हो जाने चाहिए सारे क्वेश्चंस ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज anyone still has doubt in this question try to draw a schematic diagram for the question then it will be easy for you to solve it ठीक है visualize the question easy way so next question so what is given in the question shall I discuss the next question समझ आता कि नहीं अपन क्वेश्चन है कि नहीं हाँ क्वेश्चन है so I guarantee if you are able to do these questions you can do any question कोई भी पब्लिकेशन का बुक बने बेसिक्स डोंट चेंज ठीक है तो ये जो क्वेश्चन हम कर रहे हैं उसको अच्छे से समझो पहले राइट ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन टेल व्हाट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन 500 megahertz which is 500 into 10 raised to 6 hertz mega means million 10 to the power 6 what is the wavelength given the wavelength given is 60 centimeter which is 0.6 meter so I am converting everything into SI you have to find the velocity ठीक है now in the question it is given electromagnetic wave तो तुमको सेंस करना चाहिए कि कितना वेलोसिटी होगा 3 into 10 raised to 8 होना चाहिए अब तुम चेक करो 3 into 10 raised to 8 है कि नहीं so V is equal to what F lambda Substitute. Zero point 0.6. So it is 300 into 10 raised to 6, which is as expected. You are getting the speed as 3 into 10 raised to 8. Now, what is the last part of the question? Name the medium through which it is traveling. What should be the medium now? Where is speed of electromagnetic wave? This value. Vacuum. Air or vacuum. Okay. So since the speed is 3 into 10 raised to 8, the medium is air or vacuum. बाकी किसी भी मीडियम में क्या होता है स्पीड कम हो जाएगा है ना ग्लास या वाटर में उससे कम हो The medium must be air. ठीक है Everyone got it? Why medium is air or vacuum? क्योंकि ये स्पीड एयर या वैक्यूम में ही होती है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव की. In any other medium, the speed will be less than this. चलो, try question number 7. Everybody, you should be able to do it. The formula is on the board. You are Priyanshi, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, like, can I see you?
Yes, sir. Can you see me, sir?
Acha, you are an online student or you also attend physically?
No, sir, I'm an online student.
Okay, okay. Okay, carry on.
Okay, sir.
So, any doubts?
No, sir.
All right. So now you try question number 7.
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
did it? I answer dono. So hopefully this is an easy question. Everyone should have got it. So are you getting the answer for that? किसको नहीं आया ये question? Question 7. What is the formula to be used? What is velocity of sound? F lambda. So how will you do it? Nine six into 1/3. What is the velocity? If keeping the medium same, so if the medium is same, then the V will remain same, right? So what is the new wavelength? V by F. So medium is same. So 332 and F will be in this case 1328. Okay. So when you solve it, you'll get 1 by 4, which is 0.25. Yes.
Sir, in first part, we take frequency 132.
In what?
In first part,
Ah,
why can't we take frequency 132?
because it is not given.
It changes to 132.
What is the frequency earlier? 996, no? Initially.
You have to take the initial.
Obviously. A sound wave, that is part 1 of the question. What is given? A sound wave of wavelength 1 by 3 meter has a frequency 996 initially. So in the second part, it says keeping the medium same. If the frequency changes to, now if the medium is same, velocity is going to be same in both cases. Whatever is the frequency, velocity will be same as long as the medium is same. So frequency change होने के लिए for the velocity to be constant, if v is constant, this is equal to f lambda. If frequency change, lambda also will change too. Okay? So you are using velocity. You have no knowledge of lambda for the second case. Get it? Okay. Now we'll move to the next question, which is so you might be realizing, although the formulas are simple, but the logic is different in every question. So you have to crack the logic. Okay? So question 8. What is it about? So much of conversation. Huh? Is it good? It's about sound? Okay. So how's it sounding? Huh? Nice. A ball is standing in front of a ball at a distance of 85 meters, produces 2 claps per second. Now this is a tricky question. So what is it? A ball is standing in front of a ball and now is clapping. Again, so there is a clap going on. So क्या हो रहा है इससे? So he is listening to the clap. What is the distance? Is it given? 85 meters. And he produces 2 claps per second. He notices that the sound of his clapping coincides with the echo. So 2 claps per second meaning what? 0 second. 1 second पे 1 clap आया. ठीक है? So by the time I am after 1 second, I am getting the echo because the echo is coinciding with the second clap. What is the time of echo? Now the echo comes. So how much time did I take for 2 claps? 1 second. So what is the time of echo? 1 second. Okay. So time of echo is 1 second. तो confusion क्या होता है? 2 claps का 1 second, तो 1 clap का 1/2 ले 1/2 करते हो 0.5. वहाँ mistake होती है. तो ये when the first clap happens, it happens at time 0. Clock starts there. After 1 second, the second clap and the echo comes to you. ठीक है? तो ये लॉजिक है. बहुत बार तुम ताली बजाते हुए दिख जाओगे. ठीक है? If you really start thinking about questions, this may happen to you, especially when figuring out the direction of electric field, magnetic field, है ना? उसमें होता है बहुत कुछ. Frequency, and the time period. What answer you have got? For what? हाँ उससे भी हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर तुम एको का फॉर्मूला लगाओगे तो उससे नहीं होगा। देखो, अगर हम एको का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे तो क्या क्या फॉर्मूला यूज होगा? डी बाय टी। ठीक है, तो तुमने वेलोसिटी के स्पीड का फॉर्मूला लगा के कर दिया तो उससे तो हो जाएगा, बिकॉज यू फाउंड फ्रीक्वेंसी। व्हाट अबाउट वेवलेंथ? नहीं, टी इज इक्वल टू, हाँ तो वो तो वही आएगा ना, टी इज इक्वल टू डी अपॉन वी आर। तो तुम्हारा मतलब लॉन्ग कट हो गया। फिर हम इसी से कर सकते हैं ना, टू क्लैप्स में अगर ये हो रहा है तो टी इज टाइम ऑफ एको इज 1, therefore टी इज इक्वल टू 1। एक मिनट, दोनों से करते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये तो लॉजिकली किया हमने, टाइम ऑफ एको इज 1, तो ये कितना हो गया? 2 into 85 डिवाइड बाय 1। So how much is this? 1। कितना हो गया? 170। ये करेक्ट है क्या? ये तो गलत है। ओ, दिस इज 2D। तो गलत आ रहा है क्यों? What is the time of echo? What is wrong in this? Time of echo 1 second है ना?
1/2 in the same formula it's coming.
What is the time of echo? What is the time of echo? 0.5. 0.5 लेंगे तब आएगा। Time of echo is so you are getting the echo after one clap only, right? Not after two claps, right? ना पहले वाले क्लैप को अपने को काउंट नहीं करना है। देखो क्या हो रहा है, देखो क्लैप वन में क्या हो रहा है, गया। ठीक है, तो क्लैप वन में तो साउंड ओरिजिनेट हुआ और क्लैप टू में रिटर्न शुरू हुआ, तो क्लैप थ्री में आएगा एक्चुअली एको। यू गेट इट? एको इज कोइंसाइडिंग, तो ये देखो यही कंफ्यूजन होता है। एको इज कोइंसाइडिंग आफ्टर द सेकंड क्लैप, लेकिन पहले यहां तक तो तुमको आएगा ही नहीं एको। एको यहाँ पे आ रहा है थर्ड में। ठीक है, एको कहाँ पे आ रहा है? थर्ड में आ रहा है। तो टाइम ऑफ एको क्या है? 0.5।
सर यहाँ लिखा था echo is heard only when the clapping is stopped. मतलब फर्स्ट क्लैप खत्म होने के बाद echo आएगा, सेकंड क्लैप के बाद सेकंड का echo आएगा।
नहीं नहीं यार, ये ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। सो टाइम ऑफ एको 0.5 सेकंड।
because F is equal to 2, then T is equal to 1 by. So.
That is capital T, time period है वो. Time of echo पूछ रहा हूँ ना मैं. Oh yes, listen, yeah. See, it's like this. It's like 2 second में. नहीं, 1 second में कितना चल रहा है? 1 second में 2D चल रहा है. ठीक है? 1 second में कितना चल रहा है? 2D. Right? So therefore D कितना हो गया? Therefore D is equal to 1 by 2 और D हमारा 85. नहीं यार, ये कैसे होगा? पता नहीं. I want a proper कि लिखने से समझ में आए. Time period 2 clap में. When is the echo heard? What is time of echo? Time of echo is it T or T by 2? Time of echo is time period. What is one vibration? 2 clap is one vibration. देखो, पहला क्लैप तुमने यहाँ किया, फिर ये सेकंड किया, फिर ये थर्ड किया. एको तुमको यहाँ सुनाई दिया ना? एको कब सुनाई दे रहा है? सेकंड क्लैप, आफ्टर एवरी सेकंड क्लैप. तो एको तुमको यहाँ से सुनाई देना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि साउंड तो यहाँ ओरिजिनेट हुआ. देखा कैसे किया उसको?
0.5 2 सेकंड का वो एक टाइम से रेट है तो एक का हाफ ले हाफ.
देखो ऐसे समझाओ ना, पूरा वाइब्रेशन कैसे बन रहा है इसका. ये जाके वापस आया, ठीक है, ये एक वाइब्रेशन हुआ. तो एक क्लैप पे स्टार्ट किया, दूसरा क्लैप पे आ गया एक को, और इसमें 1 सेकंड लगा. दूसरे सेकंड पे आ गया ना, यहां से जाके, तो 1 सेकंड टाइम पीरियड हुआ इसका. तो इसको 5 सेकंड 0.5 कैसे आ रहा है? इसका लॉजिक थोड़ा गड़बड़ है. ठीक है, चलो. T/2, ठीक है. टाइम तुमको उसको T/2 लेना पड़ेगा तो होगा. फ्रीक्वेंसी अगर 1 सेकंड है तो टाइम पीरियड कितना हुआ? हाँ, तो ये तुम्हारा हो रहा है. नहीं, टाइम पीरियड कितना है? 0.5. वही टी है. टाइम पीरियड इज द टाइम. दैट्स व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. टाइम पीरियड इज द टाइम. ठीक है, ठीक है. तो अभी क्या हो गया? 2 into 85 divided by 0.5. I am doing this question, but I'm still not correct. So I'll have to find a better explanation. Show me the example. फिर उसमें frequency बोलती है.
Question 6 इधर इसको सॉरी.
Two claps are produced in 1 second. Therefore, each clap. Four claps are produced. Each clap. तो आधे आधे के साथ ही हो. मतलब वो सेकंड के बाद में आधे आधे. अब मुझे बता, यानी जो पहला क्लैप है उसका टाइम 0 पकड़ना पड़ेगा, फिर ये, हाँ इसके बाद थर्ड क्लैप में आ रहा है ना, पहला वाला 0 हो गया, उसके बाद ही 2 क्लैप का टाइम 1 पकड़ना पड़ेगा। लीव इट, I'm not getting it. Did you get my problem? ये तो 0 पे हुआ, ये सेकंड हो गया, तो इसको टाइम कितना लगा, यहां से यहाँ 1 सेकंड लगा, कि अब ये थर्ड क्लैप को 1 सेकंड लगा। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग वेयर आई एम स्टक? ठीक है ना? तो फर्स्ट को अगर तुम 0 मानोगे तो ये वाला सेकंड हुआ ना, ये फर्स्ट हुआ, ये सेकंड, मतलब एक्चुअली देयर आर 3 क्लैप्स। अगर तुम टी को 1 लेते हो, 2 सेकंड ले रहे हो ना, कितना कितना बोला है, 2 सेकंड। हाँ तो कैसे होगा बताओ, समझ रहे हो ना? आर यू गेटिंग इट? आर यू नॉट काउंटिंग द फर्स्ट क्लैप, देन इट इज, देन ऑल्सो फर्स्ट सेकंड पे होना चाहिए ना ये। आर यू गेटिंग? तो लेट इट बी, मतलब ये थोड़ा डाइसी है, लॉजिकली जाओगे तो ये हो नहीं रहा है। यू गेट इट? ये है। सो आई विल थिंक ओवर इट कि इसको और कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है? सो राइट नाउ यू गो बाय टाइम पीरियड इज 0.5 टू गेट द आंसर। ठीक है? ऑल राइट। तो कितना हो रहा है, 340, क्योंकि आंसर तो 340 आना चाहिए, स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इन एयर। ठीक है? सो आई विल थिंक फॉर अ एक्सप्लेनेशन, बिकॉज कैलकुलेशन तो हो गया, लेकिन उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी तो जस्टिफाई होना चाहिए। ऑल राइट, नेक्स्ट। Question number 9. What is question 9? Now this is a simple question. ठीक है? ये किसमें कैसे यूज होगा ये? You are provided with time of echo and you have speed. So t and speed is given. So what is the depth? T by 2. इससे आ जाएगा। कर लो इसको। So 1450 T is 2 divided by 2. Same ही है। ठीक है? This is same. What do we do next? Hmm? In the last class, lot of you were not present, so आगे के क्वेश्चन अगर हमको करने हैं तो उसके लिए तुम्हें टाइप्स ऑफ वाइब्रेशन पता होना चाहिए। ठीक है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द लास्ट क्लास? रेज योर हैंड। क्वाइट ऑफ यू। तो ठीक है, सो आई विल रिपीट व्हाट वी डिड इन द लास्ट क्लास। ओके, सो व्हाट वी डिड इन द लास्ट क्लास? You were present in the last class. So types of vibrations we did. Do you want me to do any more question from Selina? हमने थोड़े से किए हैं, तुम कर पाओगे। ठीक है? एक ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है, और शॉर्ट एग्जांपल्स देखना, क्योंकि शॉर्ट एग्जांपल में बहुत ज्यादा एप्लीकेशन ओरिएंटेड हो सकता है। ठीक है? तो देख लेना उसको। Okay, so we now come to the last part of what this AC is not working. This one? It's not working or what? पंखा भी नहीं चल रहा. चलो, so there are different types of vibration. Free or natural vibration. Okay. Then you have damped vibration. Not good lift as well. Then you have forced vibrations. And you have resonance. Now, what is the origin of sound? Vibration. Okay. And there are different types of vibrations. So this is the last part of sound. जिसमें हम पढ़ने वाले what are different types of vibration. Natural vibration, let us say, let's say you have this object, okay? If it is capable of vibrating or oscillating, whenever I set any object into oscillation, it will have a unique frequency. When you measure its frequency, it will always vibrate with the same frequency. What is the difference between vibration and oscillation? The time period. If it is vibrating, the time period will be very small. So it will complete the oscillation very quickly, like a tuning fork. Okay. क्या क्या हो रहा है आज? पहले क्यों नहीं बताया उल्टा हो गया? So if the vibrations are happening really quickly, I mean the oscillations are happening really quickly, and it is called, what is it called? Vibration. Otherwise it is called oscillation. ठीक है? तो ये क्या है? Oscillation. And what is happening to the AC sound? It is produced by vibration. Is that clear? Okay. So what is natural vibration? Huh? Natural vibration क्या होता है? It is so any object that is capable of when the vibrate. Okay. So any object which is capable of vibrating when it is disturbed from its main position will oscillate with its natural frequency. और वो एक ही होगा. ठीक है? उसको तुम कितना भी बड़ा एम्पलीट्यूड से वाइब्रेट करो, like if you measure the time period, let's say the time period is 1 second or one vibration. If you increase the amplitude, then too it will complete the vibration in 1 second. The natural frequency of every object is fixed. It is its identity. Okay? समझ आ गया? Just like when we speak, we have a distinct voice. Everybody has a distinct voice. Why it is so? Because the frequency of your vocal cord is unique to you. Your vocal cord is your vocal cord, and it vibrates with unique frequency. So if it is electrically measured, you will get the same number. Whenever you are speaking, your frequency will be unique to you. Is that clear? So that is natural vibration for any given object. Now then, what is free? What is free in the natural vibration? So free is just an ideal vibration. No vibration in reality is free. Okay, free vibration can only take place in vacuum. Matlab, if we were in vacuum, right? If I oscillate it, it will keep on oscillating with the same amplitude. Okay? So if I represent it graphically, so free vibration will look something like this. This is the displacement. This is time. Okay. So in case of free vibration, the amplitude will not change with time. Right. So in reality, what do we have? So here we write only occurs in vacuum. Only occurs in vacuum. Okay? So write it for us. 7.5. अगर पूरा ये आगे तो करेक्ट है ये पूरा ये जो है ना हम लोग लास्ट में 1.5 लेंगे सारे में ये ठीक है T by T, T को 0.5 लेकर 5 लेंगे question was whether it is 0.5 or 1 ठीक है क्योंकि स्पीड ऑफ साउंड तो 340 है ठीक है
मैंने पढ़ा है सब यहाँ से पढ़ा है